Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel India's IT and non-IT jobs. Today we are going to discuss about the hiring in Madhya Pradesh. So the very first requirement is for the hotel Courtyard. As I mentioned, hotel name is Courtyard by Marriott Aravali Resort. The location for this requirement is Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are looking for F&B Service Associate, F&B Executive, Front Office Executive, Front Office Associate, Culinary Associate, Bakery, India, Continental, Asian Cuisine. They are also hiring for Senior Chef D Partie, Western, for Demi Chef D Partie in Tandoor Apprentices. They are looking for on-job trainees, Marriott. They are looking for interns in all these departments. Interested candidates can share their CV at dharamveer.singh@courtyard.com. Now, the second requirement is for the company Formulation. The designation for this company is NEEM Trainee in the department warehouse. The qualification required here is B Pharma BSc. Passing year must be 2021-22. The job location for this requirement is Pithampur. Interested candidate can share the CV at singhbadoria.himanshu@indore.com. The third requirement is for the company Codeholy. They are looking for front-end developer. The location for this company is Jabalpur. It is a full-time employment. They are looking for the fresher as well as experienced candidate. Both can apply. Interested candidate can share the resume at hello@coalholic.in. You can also refer your friends. The next requirement is for ASE, Modern Trade. The location for this requirement is Bhopal, MP and CG. Experience required here is minimum 4+ experience in modern trade with reputed FMCG companies. The CTC they are offering for this requirement is 10 lakh, which can be negotiable. The second requirement from the same company is for ASEGT. The location for this company is Mumbai Western. The experience required for this designation is 4 years into general trade. The CTC offered by this company is 8 lakh. Interested candidate may share the CV with the current CTC and notice period at avinash.wadkar@emamigroup.com. The next requirement is for Reliance Pharma NetMeds. They are looking for the pharmacist. The education required here is B Pharma or D Pharma. The location, they are looking for the various locations as Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune, Akola, Aurangabad, Nanded, Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot,